If you don't remember your Interactive Brokers login, I'll be sharing with you how you could retrieve this, right? So on the login page, whether you're using the mobile app or the website, you're going to select Need Help. Then select the option that says Retrieve ID. Now here, you're going to provide your email address, your date of birth, and your tax ID number. Now when you select Continue, if it did not send you an email, the next thing that you're going to do is select Contact Us and then select Chat. Now on the contact page, you're going to select the email option, then select Send an Inquiry. On the contact page, select I have an account. Then in the Ask a Question, just select any random question, right? And then select Continue to Email. Here, you're going to specify your username, anything that you think you could have used, right? Let's say MRM, provide your email address. Now what you're going to do is that you're going to search your email address, for example, an email like this, right? And then you want to check for your account number. It normally starts with you. That's one way you can find your account number. Then you specify your account number. From the drop down, you can select account security and protection, right? Then under topic, just select account info change. So you're going to change the subject and say you're unable to remember your username. And then in the message, you're going to provide as much information as possible about your account. And then you're just going to select continue and wait for their response, right? That should help you. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.